Hello friend, going for an interview? Wow, feeling excited, great. Friend, can I ask you one question? Friend, क्या आप अकेले इस इंटरव्यू में पार्टिसिपेंट हैं? I hope no. Friend, there are many other candidates who are appearing for this same position, who are appearing for the same profile. Friend, some of them are strong in their technical competency, some of them are strong in their behavioral competency, some of them are strong in their educational qualification, some of them are strong in their cultural competency. Friend, you have to compete with all strong people. Friend, what is unique about you? Friend, आपको इन लोगों के साथ compete करना है. What is unique about you? Friend, let me tell you one great threat about this interview. Friend, it's not about how you answer the question. It's not about knowing all the answers. It's not about not speaking all of the answers. Friend, it is about how you create an impression during your interview. Friend, जब hiring manager सारे interview complete कर लेता है and when he sit and finalize one candidate, he recollect all of the interview. He recollect all of the candidate when he has interacted with. Friend, he do not remember who has answered what. किसने कितने सही जवाब दिए, he do not remember. He only memorize which candidate has created what kind of environment, what kind of behavior. He only remember that. Friend, if you have to crack any of the interview, you have to create a positive environment, a positive vibe when you are speaking during your interaction. You have to create a positive posture. Always have a positive smile during your interaction. That create a positive impression. Friend, this is what is going to create a USP for you. Friend, interviewer or hiring manager क्या पूछने वाला है, nobody knows. It is not in your control. What is in your control? That is your behavior, how you are going to react, how you are going to keep your smile while reacting. This is what in your control. That is your circle, that is your inner circle. Friend, if you can manage this, that is in your control, you can win the heart of the hiring manager. You can impress him. It's not mandatory you should answer all of the question, but it is important if you can create a positive vibes. That is more important. So friend, you have to build this skill. Friend, if you find this video is helpful, if you find this video is adding some value to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Friend, I am T. Chandra, एक interview coach and the founder of Easymyinterview. I'll see you in my next upcoming video. By then, bye bye, take care.